Hey everyone, how is it going? Want to move your Windows 11 taskbar to the top of the screen? Well, Windows 11 doesn't officially support this feature anymore, but there's still a way to do it. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R. Then here, simply type rig edit. Click enter. Click yes for the permission. Now navigate into HKey current user. Go to software. In the software file, find Microsoft. Here it is. Open it. Now here you have to find for Windows. Here it is. In the Windows, search for current version. Here is the current version. Open it. In the current version, search for Explorer. Here is Explorer. Into the Explorer, search for StuckRect 3. Here it is, StuckRect 3. On the right side, double click on Settings. A window with hexadecimal values will appear. Look for the row that starts with 0000008. It means this one. In that row, find the value 03. Here it is 03 and change it to 01. Type here 01 and then click OK. Now we need to restart Windows Explorer. For that, we can simply close it and type Control, Shift and Escape. And then we need to find out Windows Explorer over here. Open it, CP. Here is Windows Explorer. Just click on it and click on right mouse button. And the taskbar may move to the top of the screen. And that's it. A quick trick that may allow you to place the taskbar at the top. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment where you prefer your taskbar, top, bottom, left or right.